don't know Jenny Bernard. Who the heck is Jenny
Jenny
Bernard?
Bernard's gonna be the girl that you marry, 'cause she'll get your name.
Who the heck? I don't even know her. Like, I don't even know. Who the freak is Jenny Johnson? Yeah, you made a video.
Oops. Here, now let me pinch your elbow then.
No.
Okay, I'll do it then. To my elbow. Here, you
I
have
don't.
to do it. Ready? Okay. Ready? Am I doing it right?
Mhm. This is Veronica Marshall pinching her
Can't feel
fat elbow.
You can't feel it.
You could just pinch it a little bit more.
Ah!
She was just screaming. And right now she's almost half crying. She got her. There she is right now.
What?
Now she's gonna pinch her nose.
Wait. This is how you pierce that tongue. Doesn't even work. Doesn't even close all the way. Look. Oh, I can't handle that metal on the teeth. Okay, that's enough. Bye.